أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
قال الملأ الذين استكبروا من قومه للذين استضعفوا لمن آمن منهم أتعلمون أن صالحا مرسل من ربه قالوا إنا بما أرسل به مؤمنون.
The elite of his people, who were arrogant, said to the common people who had believed, "Do you know that Salih is sent from his Lord?" They said, "We are believers in what he was sent with."
قال الذين استكبروا إنا بالذي آمنتم به كافرون.
Those who were arrogant said, "We reject what you believe in."